Weather-wise today, it was a bit of a cloudy and gray day across the area, but many of us saw a break from some of the rainfall. There is some patchy light drizzle across the area this evening, but we were tracking that on that camera in Metropolis, and it's looking like some of that is at least breaking up for us. So don't be surprised if you encounter a little bit of that tonight, but nothing too widespread. The radar right now is honestly fairly quiet, so take advantage of the dry weather while it's here. And it's also pretty warm, so not a bad night to run some of those errands. We've got temperatures in the 50s and the 60s, 57 all across southern Illinois. Sikeston, Union City at 63, Poplar Bluff right now at 64 degrees. Your threat tracker. So as we go into tomorrow, we are going to be tracking some warmer temperatures, some breezy conditions, and then by the time we get to Thursday night into Friday, that's when that heavy rain moves in. There's that potential for flooding, and then by Friday afternoon, there's a chance for some strong storms across the region. So there's just a lot to keep track of through the end of the week. As of right now, again, enjoy this nice weather while it's here. Even though it's gray, we are fairly quiet. What we're going to watch is that front that's off to our north. That will slowly start to sag to the south and eventually into our area by tomorrow evening. Now, by the time we start the day Thursday, we've got the clouds across the area, but we're not seeing that active weather just yet. So you still have some time to get out and run some of those errands through the first half of the day on Thursday. But once that boundary sinks to the south, the storms and the rain will start to push in with it. So by the evening hours on Thursday, we start to see some of that moving into some of our north and western counties, and it'll only continue to spread south throughout the remainder of the evening on Thursday. The heaviest rainfall will start to our north before pushing south across the entire viewing area late Thursday night and into Friday morning. So again, by Friday morning, as you're heading out to work, it is just a mess. So make sure you allow yourself plenty of time heading out the door. Widespread heavy rainfall expected. You can see a brief lull in some of that by the afternoon. However, our next round will start to work its way in by the afternoon and evening on Friday. And with that round, there is a chance for some of those strong to severe thunderstorms. We could see a few brief spin up tornadoes and then some damaging wind gusts within this. So that's the time to watch for the strong storms. The rest of the time, our focus will really be flooding until that rain moves out. Now, when we take the rainfall projection out through Friday night into Saturday, we're talking 2 to 4 inches across parts of southern Illinois, back into southeastern Missouri, western Kentucky, 1 inch to 3 inches. And where we see some of those repeat thunderstorms, we could see isolated higher amounts. The National Weather Service has issued a flood watch for almost the entire viewing area. All of southern Illinois back off into southeastern Missouri and parts of western Kentucky. That is in place through Saturday morning. So you can track all of this with that Storm Track 3 app. As far as ahead of this system, tomorrow we've still got some time to get out. It'll be breezy, but at least we'll see a dry start to the day, 70s by the time we get into the afternoon. But behind this system, we'll cool back down, and then we'll finally start to see maybe some nicer weather by the afternoon Saturday and then into Sunday as well.
Oh, thank goodness. I mean, it's gonna feel good to dry out.
Yeah, right? It'll be nice, especially after the next couple of days.
No kidding.
For real.
All right. Thank you, JC.